Whoa.
That'll make you see stars.
Yes. I felt that in like the base of my neck.
Speechless, huh?
Yeah, I am. Less scary than I thought it would be too.
Wow.
It just feels good. It doesn't feel scary.
And then we're gonna just kind of roll you a good bit down to get that lower back just to open up exactly.
Ooh.
Okay.
Woo. That was great. Ooh.
There it is.
Yeah, that felt great. My back feels like it's waiting for that for so long. Wow.
Was well there too.
Oh. Whew. Wow. Like my mid back opened all the way up. Whew.
How do you feel? Feel
I
pretty
feel
good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I feel really good.